Hi guys! So today we're gonna be unboxing our SP19 official Lightstick LSD. Finally it's here! Yes! So let's see what's inside. Let's open. Ta-da! Okay, to start we have this pouch. An SP19 pouch with the simula at wakas keychain. Ooh, super nice. Super ganda guys. And fun fact, pwede siya ikabit doon sa gitna ng LSP natin. We also have the manual. At alam niyo ba, fun fact, this is designed in the Philippines but made in UAE. Imported. Social. We have the warranty card. Hey! A photo card. Let's see who's in it. Rockstar! My rockstar. Hi, Ken! So poggy. Okay, moving on. We have the charging port. So yan, pwede niyong ilagay. Itayo dyan yung ating LSB. Hindi ko makuha yung cord. Yan, very nice. At ang ating chips na pwedeng ilagay sa gitna, guys. I have Stel, Justin. Who else? Josh! And Pablo! And lastly, we have Ken. Yan. So, i-discover to pa guys kung paano siya ikabit sa gitna. But let me know how. Comment in the video. At ito na nga. This is it, pansit. Super ganda guys. OMG, the color gray. SP19, the SP19 logo, and at the back we have the 80 logo, yes! Kasi lagi pa rin below. Ayan, so long press nyo lang siya para mabuhay. Yeah, we have the color blue, another press for the slow rotation. Press again for the fast rotation. Red, yellow, green, purple, and white. Ready na tayo guys. Ready na tayo magpalo. Sa Philippine Arena. Iwagay lahat ng LSP, lahat ng ilaw, lahat ng pailaw. Thank you so much, SP19. At bago matapos pala, ito pala yung hack na nalaman natin. So, ito palang nasa ilalim. Pwede siya tanggalin para pwede tayong mag-charge ng Type-C. Okay? Yun lang.